This is a new gecko I just got from my friend. I believe it's a blizzard. And he's really scared. And it's so cute, but it's terrible. And I really don't know if it's a boy or a girl. It's still too young, and it's so scared. It's sad, but it's cute. And like I just said, I'm pretty sure it's a blizzard. And I think it's pretty cute. And it's a birthday present from my friend down the road who's been wanting one for a while. So I think I'll like it. And I'm going to be having them for anywhere, I'd say in the next week to a month, which isn't too long, but this is the new gecko, and I think I'll put some pictures of it on the end of this, maybe. But this is the gecko, and tell me what you think about it. And unlike last time when I said Ahriman was a blizzard, he was mislabeled. This guy is, even though if you can't see it in this light very well, is this general color of a woman, not orange and stuff like a super hypotension carrot tail. So this time I am pretty sure.